In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom email address with GoDaddy. A custom address that matches your domain, looks professional, builds trust with customers, and helps keep your work and personal messages separate. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and fields so you can get it done confidently the first time. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, open your profile menu in the top right and choose My Products. This area lists everything attached to your account, so it's the quickest place to find the site or domain you want to use for email. Next, locate Websites plus Marketing in your products list and select Manage. That opens the dashboard for the site or domain you're working with. From there, look for Email in the dashboard navigation or main tiles and click it to open the email setup area. If you're creating your very first mailbox, GoDaddy will prompt you to pick the domain that your new address will use. Select the correct domain from the list. If you manage multiple domains, pause for a moment here and confirm you're choosing the one you intend to use. It's much easier to get it right now than to change it later. If you already have an email plan active, choose Add User. This creates an additional mailbox under your existing plan without changing anything else. Now configure your new email. Enter the username, the part before the @ keeping it short, clear, and professional. Confirm the domain dropdown shows the correct domain. Add the display name or first and last name. This is what recipients see in their inbox. Create a strong password and review any security options provided. Add recovery information such as a backup email so you can regain access if you ever forget your password. Before moving on, double check the spelling of both the username and the domain. Changing an address later typically requires creating a new mailbox. When everything looks good, click Create. GoDaddy will provision your new inbox. This can take a few minutes, totally normal. You can wait on the page and watch the status update or refresh after a short pause. Avoid navigating away in the middle of provisioning. Once it finishes, your new custom address will appear in your email list. From here, you can use webmail or add the mailbox to your preferred email apps later. For now, your setup is complete. And that's it. You signed in, opened My Products, went to Websites plus Marketing, selected Manage, opened email, chose your domain or added a user, configured the details, and created the inbox. You're ready to send and receive from your new professional address.